State your name. Having been duly elected as take your position of your alumni association. Please state your alumni association. Of Alpha Phi Omega Philippines Incorporated for development year July 1, 2023 to June 30, 2025. Sorry, this is for July 1, 2025 to June 30, 2027. Do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully assume the responsibilities and discharge the duties of my office. Always conscious of the trust and confidence conferred upon me by my brothers and sisters. And that as a true officer, I will do my best to uphold its bylaws and to exemplify the Scout Oath and Law. I further promise that I will give my unselfishly my time and energy in building a program of service. I therefore renew my faith and pledge my best efforts to further build and support my cherished democracy. I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. This 21st day of June 2025 at Villa Adelphas Resort Hotel, Bangar, La Union, Philippines. So help me God. My dear brothers and sisters, having committed yourselves to these noble purposes, the task of fulfillment is yours alone. No one brought you to observe your promises. As a guide, we suggest these few lines from the pen of Shakespeare. To thine own self be true, and it must follow as the night of the day. Thou cannot then be false to any man. On behalf of the Board of Trustees and Executive Council of Alpha Phi Omega Philippines Incorporated, I earnestly charge you to assume the responsibilities and perform the duties of your respective offices in the spirit of love and understanding. Your effort as officers of APO Iota Theta Sorority Chapter, APO Lambda Gamma AA, APO Mangaldan Alumni Association, APO Solsona AA, APO Nagilian AA, APO Beta Lambda AA, APO Villasis Pangasinan AA, APO Iota Theta AA, APO Iota Zeta AA will be rewarded only by satisfaction, which you will gain in seeing Alpha Phi Omega grow and propagate its program of services. Please keep your standards high. Our fraternity brothers and sorority sisters are looking up to your leadership. You have taken your oath of office as officers of these alumni associations, and having received the trust, the truths embodied in Alpha Phi Omega, I am now happy to declare you officers of these alumni associations. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, and before we formally end